Hello everyone, welcome to WhaleThrust, your favorite crypto channel. Today we are going to talk about the reasons for Luna crash. Here is the chart where you can see I have opened Luna with respect to BUSD chat in Binance. Luna has fallen from $119 to all the way down 0.501. Now it is trading somewhere around 0.409. So literally the value is zero, less than zero. I mean, like penny. Now you can see I am showing almost on 5th of May. The downfall has started from somewhere around 89 to all the way down 0.50112, I think. So it's a crazy crash, I mean, a lot of them might have not seen such kind of a crash in the crypto world, but these things happen, I guess. See the volume wick, how the dump has been done, and 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 as you can see, like a lot of them have lost their life savings. Well, we'll talk about that later. Now I'll also show you, like it started recovering. I would not say recover, but see the wick from all the way up. It has went from 0.002 today somewhere around in the 1:30 p.m. So it's a crazy week, you can see that on 1 minute channel, sorry, 1 minute chat. But yeah, I would like to say, like, I think it's trying to recover, but it the chart, or it won't alone say whether it will recover, because the backend team has to do a lot of things. But moving on, let's see the reasons behind its crash. And Luna, literally last week, a Luna coin was worth $85. Now it's worth a penny. Here's what matters. You can see the reasons behind it. So almost, if we can move on and we can see what went wrong. UST is, at the time of writing that article, was worth 44 cents. So that is something very wrong. UST 44 cents means it all started this weekend. Over 2 billion worth UST was unstaked, and hundreds of millions of that was immediately sold. See whether this was a reaction to a particularly volatile period, interest rates going up has particularly affected crypto prices, or a more malicious attack on Terra system. Moving on, such huge sells pushed the price down to 91 cents, so traders tried to take advantage of arbitrage, exchanging 90 cents worth of USD for $1 Luna. But then a speed bump appeared, and only 100 million worth of USD can be burned for Luna per day. So you can see what all things happen later. You can understand. And then moving on, what national world is saying. Um, So actually, why did Luna crash? So the founder of Luna, or Terra Labs, Do Kwon, has something of a reputation on Twitter. He has an arrogance, is what everyone says. So for the same, the Cardano founder tweeted something and later he deleted it. So what did he said? He said, like, that a large institution borrowed 1 lakh Bitcoin from Gemini exchange, and then they exchanged a large amount of that BTC for USD over the counter OTC with Duquan at a discount price. So he agreed for lowering the USD liquidity, and later you know what happened. Then institution then allegedly dumped large amount of both BTC and USD on the market, causing a liquidation cascade of leveraged longs, slippage, and panic selling. So see how how everything has been done, how everything has been. We cannot say it is a plan, but you can understand later. So let's see, like, what is Terra. Terra is designed to always be worth US dollar, USD in real world money, while Luna, now Terra is UST, and Luna is sister of Terra. Price fluctuates with the market. 1 Terra will always get you $1 worth of Luna, and $1 worth of Luna, 1 Terra. You see, it's mentioned over there. Now that means, should Terra trade for more than $1, traders can acquire $1 worth of Luna and exchange it for a Terra worth more than $1 equals to profit. It's a big thing, like, you know. And why it has crashed? The see, National World mentioned again, the Terra crash comes amid broader crypto market downturn, with Bitcoin down more than 50%, somewhere from 69,000 all-time high to 24,000 somewhere, 24,500. So it's a 50% crash in the wake of downturn, leading crypto market Binance briefly. So Terra has been trading. Terra banned on most of the places. Now again it's back, but on Binance you can only trade with Luna with BUSD combination. So um, moving on, let's see what others are saying about talking about it. So why does it matter? This matters for three reasons. First, over 15 billion in crypto value has been wiped out through Luna and UST alone, and 15 billion of the money. There has been anecdotal reports of self-harm by those who had most of their savings staked in UST. Not only in UST, even a lot of people lost money. Like, they were holding $30,000 of Luna. Now that's worth somewhere around $1,000, or maybe some $100. I don't know, but I've seen a lot of tweets that they lost their life savings. It's scary, when you read such kind of stories. So yes, this crash really matters. It has affected the lives of a lot of people. And second, it raises questions about other stable coins. Like UST was unusual in that it was algorithmic stable coin, unlike Tether and USDC. But the stability of those coins has always been somewhat in doubt. For instance, New York's Attorney General last year accused Tether of lying about how much it held, right? And also, moving on, I'll show you like what is Terra blockchain, what is Terra crypto, and what is Terra USD. Now, this Terra blockchain platform is to create stable coins pegged to fiat money, ticker Luna, when stable coins depeg slightly, right? So as I said, like Luna is a sister. Now ticker symbol of Terra USD is UST. So this Terra blockchain powers global payment systems with fast and affordable settlements like Alipay on the blockchain. And when stable coins depeg slightly, Luna is sold or burnt to stabilize them. And the same way a stable coin pegged to the US dollar like Tether USDT. Mainnet went live in April 2019, the custom blockchain on Cosmos SDK. The historical low of zero point 0.4 on Binance was on August 20. Investors earned somewhere 20% annual yield by staking UST, and then the Binance, the Luna has hit almost all-time high. Also, other stable coins pegged USD South Korean are planned more options. It has hit all-time high in the month of April 2022 as $119, and it crashed from $1 to 30. USD is crashed from $1 to 30 cents, and now it's trading somewhere around 10 cents maybe. So basically, you can see like what all has happened. It's a chaos everywhere, and can't even imagine like this kind of a crash can happen and ruin the life of life savings of people. um, literally literally you can see like the reasons behind, like last time I mentioned, a lot of BTC and USD has been dumped, and you can see why when USD is pegged, then what happens to Luna, and if stable coins get depegged slightly, then what happens after that. Moving on, now presently when we are talking, the coin is trading somewhere around 0.409, and it's slowly trying to push. But everything depends on the recovery plans of the founder, but we'll discuss about those things in the next video. But moving on, why does it happen, or who did these things? um, these all things are secondary. Like, whatever happened, it has ruined the lives of people, we all can understand that. But look at the chart, like it's really painful. Um to be very frank, I wasn't holding anything when there is a crash, but after the crash, I'm holding some coins. I just invested hardly $20, and I'm not giving any financial suggestions to you, but it's completely up to you whether you want to hold it or not. I just took a, you know, Luna was at very low price, and putting some $20, I thought it's not a big risk for me, so I bought some coins at 406 maybe. So let's see like what will happen next. But moving on, these are the updates for the reasons for the crash of Luna. I'll bring more videos about the recovery of Luna in the next video.